Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. Ever seen a dog more excited about something than this little guy? Well, get ready to unleash your inner Shiba Inu because we're talking about Bonk Coin. But before we dive into that, let's quickly break down what cryptocurrencies are all about. Cryptocurrencies are like digital money that uses code to secure financial transactions. They're changing the way we think about money, from being controlled by banks to being controlled by the people. And Bonk Coin is shaking things up in this crypto world. Bonk Coin is a new cryptocurrency built on the Solana blockchain. It's like a playful pup that's just entered the crypto playground, and it's already got everyone's attention. So, what exactly is Bonk Coin? Well, it's what we call a meme coin. These are cryptocurrencies inspired by internet memes, just like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. They're not necessarily backed by real-world assets or designed for specific use cases. Instead, they're driven by community enthusiasm and can be incredibly volatile. Bonk Coin aims to be the people's coin on the Solana blockchain. It's designed to bring more fun and excitement to the Solana ecosystem. Imagine it as a playful pup that wants to rally the Solana community together. One of the cool things about Bonk is its unique distribution model. A large portion of the tokens were airdropped to the Solana community, rewarding early supporters. This community-driven approach is a big part of Bonk's appeal. So, why should you even consider Bonk Coin? Well, for starters, it's a community-driven project. This means the coin's success depends on its community, and a passionate community can drive incredible growth. Plus, the crypto market has shown us time and time again that unexpected coins can skyrocket in value. But let's be real, investing in cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins, is risky. The value can fluctuate wildly based on trends, news, and overall market sentiment. It's possible to lose money, so invest only what you can afford to lose. Alright, let's get down to business. How to buy Bonk Coin. The first step is to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that supports Bonk Coin. For this video, we'll use Coinbase as an example, but there are other options available. Do your research to find an exchange that suits your needs. Next, you'll need to create an account on your chosen exchange. It usually involves providing your email, creating a strong password, and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can either deposit fiat currency like US dollars or transfer other cryptocurrencies you may already own. Most exchanges offer various deposit methods, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Now comes the exciting part: buying Bonk Coin. On your exchange, search for Bonk and you should see a trading pair. This is where you can exchange your fiat currency or other crypto for Bonk. Enter the amount of Bonk you want to buy and confirm the transaction. That's it. You're now a Bonk Coin holder. So, there you have it. Bonk Coin is a fun and exciting addition to the crypto world. We've covered what it is, why you might consider it, and how to get your paws on some. Remember, Bonk Coin is a community-driven project with a lot of potential, but it also comes with risks. This video is not financial advice. It's essential to do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing. Always consult with a financial advisor if needed. The crypto world is constantly evolving, so stay informed and invest responsibly. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out, Bonk Coin could be an interesting addition to your portfolio. So, go ahead, unleash your inner Shiba Inu and explore the world of Bonk. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Trading Critique. Thanks for watching.